Hello, kumusta ka? You may be in a situation na pakiramdam mo bigat ka na. Pakiramdam mo hindi mo na kaya. Gusto mo na lang sukuan lahat kasi pakiramdam mo hindi mo na kayang bitbitin pa yung sakit. But I tell you, that pain is molding you. All of the tears that you've shed, all of your heart's cry outs, all of the pain, it is molding you. May purpose ang bawat bagay na pinagdadaanan mo. Hindi man madali, pero that thing will surely build you and mold you into the best version of you, stronger and braver. Hindi sayang ang bawat pag-iyak, hindi sayang ang lahat ng sakit, kung sa dulo ng bawat laban mo ay uuwi ka sa piling ng Diyos na mas matatag at mas malakas. God didn't promise a life without pain, but He assured us that in every pain, He will go before us. He will be with us. In Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5, God says, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Kaya keep fighting, little fighter. God bless.